Hello, students. We are going to talk about this lesson for today, which we're introducing division. So here's what I want you to think about right here is kind of what we've been learning about for the last couple of days. Remember, we say the number of groups times the group size equals the total. And the math words for that is the factor times a factor equals a product. So we're going to think about that over here. We see it over here. I rewrote it so we can apply it to this word problem. So Mark bought some bags of limes. There were 5 limes in each bag. He bought 15 limes altogether. How many bags did he buy? So when I look down here at number of groups, I think, do we know the number of groups? I know the groups are bags, but it says just Mark bought some bags of limes. So we don't know how many bags yet. So instead of writing a number here, I'm going to just put one of these boxes here. Okay, and that's just going to show me it's kind of like a question mark. I don't know. I don't know how many groups yet. Then I look at group size. Okay, do I know how many limes are in each bag? Let's see. There were 5 limes in each bag. Oh, good. Okay, so I do know. So I'm going to just take my pink pen here, and I'm going to make it sure it's on little. Yep. And I'm going to write 5 limes in each bag. Now, do we know the total number of limes that Mark had? Let's take a look again, back up to the question. Notice how many times I look at the question. That's what you should be doing too when you have word problems. We have to check back to see what they're really saying. He bought 15 limes altogether. Yes, they told us how many altogether. So that word altogether means when they put them all together, there's 15. So I'm going to put 15 altogether. Okay, so this is different than the ones we've been doing because you see, we don't know this. This is the unknown. Up until now, we haven't known the total. So think about this. There's some number here. How many? We don't know, but we know that there's 5 in each bag and the total is 15. So how many of these bags would we need to get to 15? You could think about it and think on your fingers. Let's see. There's 5 in the first bag. Okay, if I have another bag of 5, then I know 5 plus 5 is 10. I need 15, so that's not enough. So let's see. 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's add another bag and see. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 more is 15. It's the magic number. So how many bags was that? 1, 2, 3. We needed 3 bags, okay? Now, the interesting thing about this is it's kind of like turnaround facts. Maybe you called them math mountains in 1st and 2nd grade. You can also do this. It's the same for division, okay? So, let me see here. So, if we say, we're going to do dividing, we would say 15 divided by, then I'm going to drag my little box over because this is the number of groups, right? Remember how over here there was a box around the number of groups? So how many groups did we have? We had 3. And then 15 divided by 3 equals our group size. And what was that group size again? We can go back over here. It equals 5. So it's a little fact family. 3, 5, and 15. Now let me give you the math words. We have the dividend, the divisor, and the quotient. So those are our math words. Okay, so that is how you turn it into a division problem. Okay, check on the next slide.